Days could I wait? I made plans with you.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. By the title you already know, I'm about to try the viral painted face by Esther. I think I'm saying her name right. And I'm just now getting back into makeup, but I've been seeing all these viral looks. I wanted to try the viral look. So why am I talking like this about to be a tutorial? Next we have the concealer, and I have it in 12. Do y'all see this? This is really cute. So I have this as my bronzer, but it's not dark enough to me. Like, it's not, the bronzer's supposed to be really dark, I was told. So yeah, I don't know. I got this from Tik Tok shop, so I'm gonna use this. Oh my god, y'all. What the fuck? Why? My nose itching right there. Okay, as y'all can see, I already used it a little bit. Do not judge me, okay? This so I'm gonna use that. Oh, that wasn't that loud. And it's in the color banana. This is the look. Y'all, leave me a comment down below and tell me how I did. Like, is it a yay or a nay? Like, don't try that shit no more. Like, be honest with me, y'all. Like, be completely honest with me.
Bitch, you look a mess.
Like, I know this was a fail. I'm still learning how to do makeup, like I said. So, be nice in the comments, okay? It's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.